Hello students, welcome to biology class. Today we will be discussing chapter Human Population, Growth and Distribution. The objectives that we are covering in this video are population, why do we study population, terms associated with human population and world population growth. Starting with the introduction. The problem of human population actually started with the dawn of civilization. During civilization, man changed himself from a wanderer to a settler and started living together. Group living helped him in division of labor. There was plenty of time to leisure. Due to the superior intellect and power of thinking, a man today has become the creator and modifier of the biosphere from a mere constituent part. In his endless pursuit to conquer nature, man has developed sophisticated science and technology. The knowledge of vast science has helped man in the eradication of so many fatal diseases and has reduced the death rate. On the other hand, average lifespan of a man is increasing due to better medical facilities available and spread of education throughout the world. All these factors have resulted in the population explosion, which is the burning problem of the day. The increase in population is so tremendous that the existence of a man itself is at stake. So, what is population? Population may be defined as a group of organisms belonging to one species which occupy a given area. It has characteristics which are the function of the whole group and not of the individuals. These are population density, birth rate, death rate, age distribution, biotic potential, rate of dispersion, and growth form. Although individuals are born and die, but they do not have birth rates and death rates. These are the characteristics of the population as a whole. All the population inhabiting in the same area constitutes a biotic community. Now, why do we study population? Population education has been introduced in the education system of the country to make the students aware of the consequences of uncontrolled population growth, advantages of a small family, the growth, distribution and density of the population, and the relation of population to the standards of life. Now, some important terms associated with the human population. Demography, the branch of science dealing with the statistical study of human population, is called demography. It deals with fluctuations in population, that is, growth or decline, population composition, that is, age groups and population density. Population density, the number of individuals of a species per unit area at a given time, is called population density. Large cities have a greater population density than smaller cities or rural areas. It is usually quoted per square kilometer or square mile, and which include or exclude, for example, areas of water or glaciers. Commonly, this is calculated for a city, country, another territory, or the entire world. Next is aging population. Aging population is population where the proportion of older people is increasing due to declining fertility rates and increasing life expectancy. Life expectancy, the total number of years a person is going to survive or number of years a person can expect to live. The next is birth rate, also known as natality. It is the number of live births produced per 1,000 individuals of the population per year. The next is death rate, also known as mortality. It is the number of deaths per 1,000 individuals of the population per year. Next is census, an official counting of human population after a period of 10 years. Immigration, the departure of individuals from the existing population of the country to a foreign country. Emigration, moving of individuals into the existing population from some country. Next is population explosion, sharp prolific increase in the size of the population. Population growth rate, it is the number of persons added per 100 people of a population per year. World population growth. In demographics, the world population is the total number of humans currently living. It took over 2 million years of human prehistory and history for the world's population to reach 1 million, and only 200 years more to reach 7 billion. The world population has experienced continuous growth. The highest global population growth rates with increase of over 1.8% per year occurred between 1955 and 1975, peaking at 2.1% between 1965 and 1970. The growth rate declined to 1.2% between 2010 and 2015 and is projected to decline further in the course of the 21st century. The global population is still increasing, but there is significant uncertainty about its long-term trajectory due to changing rates of fertility and mortality. The present-day situation could not exactly predict the future human population would continue to rise rapidly or slowly or would soon tend to stabilize. This is a huge question mark. Thank you so much. We will continue this chapter in next video.